Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through installing ReShade on FiveM to improve graphics smoothly and safely. First, open your browser and download the latest ReShade installer from the official ReShade website. Once downloaded, run the installer and click Browse when asked to select a game. Now navigate to your FiveM application folder and select FiveM.exe. Next, choose the Rendering API, which is usually DirectX 10, 11, or 12. Click Next and select the effect packages you want, or simply choose All for more options. Let ReShade finish installing the shaders. After installation, launch FiveM normally. On first launch, follow the on-screen ReShade tutorial by pressing the Home key. Configure your effects, adjust settings to your preference, and save your preset. ReShade is now active in FiveM, giving you enhanced visuals and better immersion instantly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.